on the bottom. This thing twirls around to make them electric. It goes through them to make the track go. See? Watch. Oh, looks like one slowing down.
You have to learn to do both triggers.
Let's see who wins. Let's see who wins. This is going to be a really good race.
You're going to spin out.
Looks like this is what happens if you spin out. You get crashed. But this guy is the excellent. He's pretty fast.
What's that racer's name?
This one's named Speed Racer.
What's this one's?
Breakdown Racer. Because he breaks down a
You
lot.
can call him spin out. Now what's this here for?
If one of them cheat and they run into another one and they go like this and they smack for the other one to smack them, and then they'll turn and they go and win, then this one will shoot it.
The cheater?
The cheater. Okay, let's see how it does.
What are these guys? Are they the spectators?
They're the ones that get to watch the show.
Whose car's that?
That is Kathy's car. This one is Zane's.
Yes, yes.
And that one, this one's Papa's truck.
I thought that was the ambulance.
That's not the ambulance.
Well, who's going to pick up the bodies?
The truck. Let me show you. See this army truck? This is the ambulance.
Okay now?
See? We'll put him in
Okay.
there.
All right, let's get them going one more time.
Okay. Let's see if whoever wins.
Can you get the red one to go?
Let's see if how fast the blue one goes. Then we'll do the red one. Okay? Go. Let's see what happens if you wreck.
Keep up with it.
Oh, you almost wrecked, but you went back on the track. Let's see what happens. That's what happens if you wreck. You go out, flip, and boom. We're down. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do the red one.
This controller's not working very good. There it goes. Oh, its tire's coming off again.
Oh, that one's gonna pop a wheelie. Whoop, whoop. That one looks like it's gonna pop a wheelie. Okay, let's do this one again. See, that's how fast he can go. Let's see how really fast he can go. Let's see if I cannot make it as fast as I can. He's getting hit. Ooh, it got smacked by the flag. That's what happens if you wreck. You get